Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy. I'm back for another video. And for today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing, but it's not your regular Coach bag. It's going to be a Michael Kors bag. Yes, we're going to do unboxing of the Michael Kors bag. As you can see, it's already in a gift box for Michael Kors. I already removed it from the shipping box, but yes, if you want to see what's inside this Michael Kors box, please keep on watching. So before we start, welcome, I'm Tracy. I do bag unboxing videos, sometimes first impression review videos, and once in a while I do upload vlog videos. If you happen to like my channel, please consider subscribing, and for all who already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back, and let's start the unboxing. I got a Michael Kors bag. I checked the website yesterday. This is still on sale. And this is a bag for, I would consider, spring or summer color. I ordered this a while ago, but then finally I will be able to do the unboxing and show it to you guys what I got from Michael Kors. So when I ordered this bag, I asked them to put it in a gift box. That's why there's a ribbon and it's in a nice Michael Kors box. So let's start unboxing. Go. I have 3 items in here, 2 wallets and a bag. Oh. That's my receipt. So here we go. I have a wallet, a smaller wallet or card case, and here is the bag. So we'll do the small leather goods first, and then we'll do the bag at the end. This is our first item. This is the Jet Set card case. I will try to put all the information in the description box below. So here it is. Here's our first item, the Michael Kors Jet Set. This is in the color light cream and luggage. So this is what it looks like at the front. It has the gold hardware, and this is the side, and this is the back. The back has a slip pocket, and the inside it has snap closure. Here you go. It looks, the pockets are the same. Has a card slot here and slip pocket here. This part can put, I think you can put more than 1, or probably you can fit 3 cards in this pocket. I will try that, then I will let you know in my future video. And as you can see, there's a Michael Kors hit stamp there. There you go. This is our first item, the Michael Kors Jet Set card case or wallet. Another item, our second item, will be a bigger wallet. Yep, this is another Jet Set travel, and it's a nice color for spring and summer. You can see, you can see that. Isn't it nice? It's a spring color. I think this is the color sunflower. Yep. Ooh. Let's see. Let's open it. It has a gold hardware. Yep. Has gold hardware. Let's remove the packaging. If you're curious, this is the name of that's the style number in the code. It is in the color, oh, it's not sunflower, it's citrus. Bright yellow. I think this is Saffiano leather, but I'm not too familiar with Michael Kors leathers. I know they're like Pebbled leather and Saffiano leather, but other than that, I have no idea. So this is what the wallet looks like. This is the Jet Set Travel in the color citrus, and this is the side and the back. The back has a zipper pocket. It glides smoothly, and the inside has the Michael Kors fabric. And by the way, if you see this in your wallet or your bags, before you go out or like you start using it, try to remove this one, or else when you go to the store you will beep. it happened to me multiple times, and then I check my wallet or my bag that there's still this piece in there. So yes, they usually make you beep when you go to the stores. So let's look at the inside of the bag. Oh, by the way, has that Michael Kors logo in gold hardware, and their zipper pull has that Michael Kors too. So the inside, let's look at the inside of the bag. It has that snap closure, and it's like, this is a trifold wallet. Yeah, trifold wallet. Has 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 card slots on each side, so you can fit a lot of cards in here. I don't normally use bigger wallets anymore, so we'll see if I want to try, because I normally bring smaller bags lately, so we'll see about that. I like this part on the, like the part where you can put a picture ID. You don't need to pull your card out of your wallet, so I like that feature of this wallet. It has 2 slip pocket here and here, and same here on this side too. Has 2 slip pocket, and it has that Michael Kors. Was that engraved? Yeah, it looks like it was engraved there. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but yes. So there you go. That's our second item. Now let's proceed to our bag. Yes, our bag from Michael Kors. There you go. Ta-da-da! It's been a while since I made a video of Michael Kors. I think that was from the Macy's last act video, but yes. I look at this. Oh, look at this bag. So I made a video for that Macy's last act, and I got a smaller version for this one, the crossbody version, I believe. Yeah. So this is the Carine. I think this is the Carine. Where's my receipt? So this is the Carine small studded pebbled leather in the color sunflower. So this is the sunflower, and this one is the citrus. It looks the same. Almost looks the same. I wonder why they named the other one citrus and this one is Carine. But anyway, it looks brand new from the factory. Let's remove the packaging. So I had the Carine, I think it's in the color pink grapefruit, and then I was searching about the bigger one, but the bigger one, the medium, seems like a lot, it seems like too big for me, so I ordered the small one, and this was on sale, and I like the studs. Yeah, I like the studs. Initially, I hesitated to get this bag because I heard when you open and close it, it can be fuzzy. Like sometimes it's hard to open and close it. But then that was the bigger version of this bag. So I got the smaller one. So it seems like it's okay. Yep. So this is the front of the bag with the leather detail. And the Michael Kors charm here, or Michael Kors hang tag with that Michael Kors logo, and the gold hardware for the studs. Isn't it nice? This is really good for summer or spring. Yep. And this is what the side looks like. The back has a slip pocket. Let's see if my phone can fit. I have an iPhone XS Max. And let's see if it can fit in there. Oh, it doesn't. It can just go that way. But anyway, let's open this bag. It has that leather detail on the zipper pull. When you open it, oh, this is full with, let's remove the papers. And it has that shoulder strap. And a dust bag, of course. Michael Kors dust bag is a nice thing to have. Alright. let's remove all of that, and let's remove this shoulder strap. Ooh, I like the shoulder strap. It's wide. I'm gonna cut this part because it's hard to put it on the side. Alright, so looking at this bag, the zipper pull, I think you can pull this out, this part. Yep, but I don't want to do that. But yes, you can pull that part, and then when you close it, you can just pull it from here and then close it. But I prefer it hiding inside. So the inside of the bag looks like this. It has that Michael Kors fabric with all the Michael Kors name, with the Michael Kors name all over. It has a zipper pocket, which is good size. Has a good size, can fit my phone. And on the other side, it has a slip pocket. Let's see if my phone can fit on the slip pocket. Nope, my phone won't fit on that slip pocket. But yes, this is what the inside of the bag looks like. I like the color. It's so pretty and springy. So let's look at the shoulder strap. The shoulder strap is wide, and as you can see, the newer Michael Kors style is that it's not a buckle style, it's just a snap. Or this one is hard to adjust, like hard to remove from that hardware. If you know any trick on how to remove that, please let me know, because it can be difficult to remove. This one has 5 adjustments, and right now it's on the middle setting. And look at the leather. This one is in smooth leather compared to the bag itself. This is on pebbled leather. Yep, this is a good size bag. It can be used as a top handle at the crook of your arm. But if you have like chunky arm, maybe not. Yeah, it might work, but yes, it can be tight unless this one will go down. So now let's do a try on this bag. So this is what the bag looks like when you wear it over your shoulder. And then as a crossbody, this is on the middle setting, and if I wear it on as a crossbody, it's on my waist area. But I like that this strap can go down, so it doesn't really bother me. But if I can adjust this, I'll be probably adjusting this to a longer setting. Let's try if I can do that. Finally, after 10 years, I was able to put it on the longest setting. It took forever to remove it. It's hard to remove. Putting it on is not that difficult, but then removing it. Before I give my thoughts on the shoulder strap, let's do a quick try on the longest setting. So this is on over my shoulder. This bag seems to slide off my shoulder, even though this is a wider strap compared to other bags. As a crossbody bag, I like the length. I like the length of this. Okay. So overall, I like this bag. I like the look. I like the size. But one thing I don't like about this particular design is the shoulder strap, because of the adjustment. The adjustment, it would be nicer that they just have it in like a buckle style, or make it easier to adjust this one. Because when you're going out, like when you're going out using this bag and you want it like over your shoulder, you want it a little shorter, right? But then when you want to be hands-free right away, you have to fiddle on this on the adjustments. Like it will take forever to it takes me a while to be able to remove it from the middle setting. So if I have a different strap that will match this color, I would probably use that rather than this one. That's my thoughts about this bag. But the size, I like it. It's not too big, it's not too small. Good size for as a crossbody bag. The only thing I don't like is the shoulder strap. It would be nicer if it's easily adjustable. So that's it for our unboxing for today. I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you get notified every time I upload the new video. So until next time, thank you for watching. Bye!